Hey, I'm meteorologist Chris Zarzar here at Belshare in downtown Asheville. The heart of the French Broad River Valley had some significant weather today, some severe storms that packed some serious winds with them. Now these storms were not severe today, but they did produce significant amounts of rain. Here in Asheville, partly cloudy skies, temperature of 74. That's rain-cooled air, so the temperature will probably increase these next couple of hours. As moisture being pumped up from the Gulf because of a high pressure seen right off the coast of South Carolina and Georgia. But check that out, the dew point of 69 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going to leave it for quite a muggy and sticky night if you're walking around downtown. Good evening, I'm meteorologist Chris Zarzar. Yesterday the Western Carolinas dealt with some severe weather, but today it was just calm and comfortable weather. Here in Asheville, we reached a high of 86 degrees, a bit above the average high of 83, but really not too uncomfortable out there. We had a low of 67 when we woke up this morning, but check this out, precipitation-wise, we're at a deficit of about 3/4 of an inch, so we could have used the rain today. Unfortunately, those rain chances will not be going up again until this weekend. HD radar not really picking up on much, just one lone storm out here in northeastern Georgia. That's dropping a little bit of rain, but it's going to quickly fade into the evening hours. Your evening plan for downtown Asheville is looking quite nice though. Partly cloudy skies at 7 o'clock with a temperature of 80 degrees. Then by 9 o'clock already starting to cool things down, 75 degrees, clearing the skies out a bit as well. Then by midnight, mainly clear skies and temperature in the lower 70s. Taking a step outside of the Great Smoky Mountains, it's just been a beautiful day. Some fair weather cumulus clouds, but clearing it out into these evening hours. Temperature of 75 degrees. Asheville feeling 73 degrees right now, and what's felt great today is a moderate wind. It's north-northwest right now at 14 miles an hour, so that's been making this 86-degree weather feel quite nice. Now what's giving us these dry and warmer conditions is a high-pressure system stationed just off to our northwest. And Thursday into Friday, that's going to start bringing us some even warmer conditions. And you can see that right here, HD Futurecast pulling the high pressure system to our south by Thursday afternoon. And that's going to start bringing in those warmer temperatures that the Midwest are currently dealing with. But then the main player is a cold front working its way down into the Carolinas Friday afternoon into the weekend. And that's going to bring with it better rain chances and cooler conditions. But here tonight in Asheville, it's just 63 degrees. And then Greer's going to be looking in the lower 70s. Tomorrow getting quite a bit warmer though, 88 degrees I should say in Asheville, and then in the mid-90s again for the upstate. Your next 7 days for Asheville, cooling it off a bit into the weekend, bring that rain chance as well. 81 degrees Saturday, 84 Sunday, then warming it back up again into Monday. Hi, I'm meteorologist Chris Zarzar. It was a drier day today than the past few days for the Western Carolinas, although there still were a few hit and miss showers. Those showers stayed off to the south and west of Asheville today, and they looked a little intimidating early on, but now they're just fading away into the evening hours, leaving us with a clear night tonight. Here in Asheville, we dodged all the showers today. That means we got pretty warm though. 87 degrees on our high this afternoon, so quite a bit above that average high of 83 degrees. Woke up above average as well, 69 degrees on our low this morning. Walking out to the west of Asheville, Great Smoky Mountains had a pretty day today. Just some fair weather cumulus clouds early on. Now just clearing out for a nice evening. 80 degrees out there currently. Here in Asheville, we're sitting at 84 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Dew point of 68 degrees Fahrenheit though, so that means it will feel quite muggy, a bit sticky if you're walking around downtown tonight, so wear light clothing out tonight. More across the nation, there's two high pressures that are really affecting our weather here. One to the south that's bringing up some warmer and moist Gulf moisture. That's why it's felt so humid these past few days. But fortunately, there's a drier high pressure that's working its way down from the north, and that means we're going to have a drier day tomorrow. Not cooler, this cold front's not very strong, but at least we'll be drier. HD Futurecast picking up on just that. Cold front's going to make its way south of Asheville tonight into tomorrow morning, leaving us with a dry morning here in Asheville. Although I can't rule out isolated showers Friday afternoon into Friday evening for the upstate and the southwestern mountains, as that cold front does linger around for a bit. But drying out by Friday night, and then the next player is a warm front working its way from the southwest into Asheville for Saturday, leaving us with a wetter weekend unfortunately. Here in Asheville tonight, 67 degrees on our low, a bit warmer in the upstate, 73 degrees down there in Greer. And then tomorrow is getting warmer than it was today, although it will be less humid, so it'll feel a bit nicer tomorrow than it did today. 88 degrees in Asheville, and the upstate, they're keeping all the heat down to the south, 95 degrees down there in Greer. Your next 7 days laid out for you. Saturday and Sunday are going to be the wet ones. They're also going to be the cool ones as we do bring in that rain chance. Hey, I'm meteorologist Chris Zarzar here at Belshare in downtown Asheville. And in fact, Belshare is the biggest street festival in all the southeast. And in fact, you can see the crowds already coming on in, joining the party. It's a mighty fun time down here, enjoying some live music. And come on out if you can, but don't worry if you can't come on out tonight because the festival is going to be going on Saturday into Sunday. It's been hot earlier, but finally cooling off, so it's a good time to come on down now. Let's talk a little bit of weather. Live HD radar, we're picking up on a few showers just southwest of Asheville. Those showers will quickly be fading into the evening hours as they lose that afternoon heat. Checking out the lows tonight, going to be pretty warm again, 68 degrees for Asheville, a bit warmer in the upstate in the mid-70s. Then your highs tomorrow bringing the heat on back, getting up into the lower 90s for Asheville and into the mid to upper 90s for the upstate, close to 100 as you go towards the Midlands of the upstate. Your 7-day forecast looking a bit wetter though for Monday and Tuesday, but bringing the temperature down with that. And the upstate is much of the same, but bringing the heat back up close to 90, in the upper 90s on Saturday, and then bringing the rain in Monday and Tuesday next week.